You can stop it.
Yeah. Mommy, look how fat you are.
Yep. So you gotta put your junk back in your
There
stocking.
you got that.
Wait a minute.
That's for your trip, Kristen.
No,
You don't have to take a big tube.
I'm gonna go try this car.
Yes, we need to.
Mommy, whoa!
Want to see my stuff, Josh?
Wait, you take
Look
one?
how far my car is. Look how far my car is.
It's really cool.
Wait.
Is that his pictures?
Yes, it is cool.
We'll watch it.
Alright.
This is Jordan. Oh, just recording.
Carrie!
No, this is just recorded.
What is
Hey guys, what you playing?
Hi-ho, Cheerio.
Oh, cool. Who's winning?
Me? Me
Oh.
too.
So, what did you guys get for Christmas?
Oh, we got tons of stuff. I got chicken
Just like you.
Kristen,
Huh?
guess what? I got chicken limbo.
Cool. Let's see it. Say goodbye.